everyone, how you all doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Miss Debbie. Should in case you're seeing my video for the first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So it's an amazing time of the year, and I have some reveal I want to do. So I got some stuff from Amazon and TK Maxx, also a dress from Zara. I decided to make a review and show it to you. Let's do the unboxing together. So let's get into it. So this earring, I have gotten it since December. I got it from Oma last. I normally wear clips earring. As you can see, I'm styling a clip earring and bold. I love it bold. So, and the dress is it's my tailor made, and it's one outfit that I have from last year. And I'm also wearing a white pants from TK Maxx. So I love patronizing TK Maxx once in a while. So meanwhile, these earrings, I got it from Oma. Like I said, it's a gift. It's a very beautiful pair of earrings. As you can see it, I don't know if you can see it very well. So this is the earring. I love it because it's another kind of design. It's new to me. It's new to my accessories. So I will be styling it when I have time to really style it. I love this gift. It's very special to my heart to have something like this inside my wardrobe. So here we are. So another purse I got, a red purse from TK Maxx, because I have some new outfits in my closet. I have a red in it with glitz. So I decided to go with this. I decided to go look for this red clutch, which is very cool. I got it for €13.99. No, €13. Why the old price was €17.99. So they did says. So the bag is really cute for the price, and I cannot only style it with red, I can style it with other outfits. So as I keep mastering my skills on this journey. So, and another thing I have in here from Amazon is a clutch bag I have been wanting to have, and I have it in blue and mixed with a little bit of yellow. This is really beautiful. It's interesting. So I love it the way they grafted it, and there is a little strap, golden strap in the bag. So this is how the clutch look like. Wow, this is really beautiful, amazing. So let me know what you think, if you can style something like this. Yeah, so let me know what you think in the comment section. So I also went for gray because this year I want to style more of white and black. I want to add it to my wardrobe. Let me use that word. So this purse is very cool and calm. I love the color gray, and I love the color gray. Yeah, I got it for €25, which is €24.99. I got it on TK Maxx. So they have a beautiful bag for summer at the moment. So let me know what you think. It's a very cute bag. I would like to style it on holidays and also on normal days when I'm going out for appointment or other things I want to do. So this bag is also very cute and beautiful. So this is another Zara outfit I got from Zara. So I have really less brown inside my wardrobe, and the way the brown dress is grafted on the belly side, it will hide a lot of belly fat. So this dress is really interesting. It's cool and calm, and it's affordable for €2.29. You can also wear it for party, you know. So this is how the dress looks like. It's a long dress and it's really cool. So I got this one on Zara for $22.99. So this is among my holiday outfit. So everyone, that is all for today. So I want to thank all my returning subscribers, because the last time I checked my analysis, I discovered that my subscribers, returning subscribers, they always come to watch my video. May Almighty God bless you. May your days be long on it. So thanks for watching, and